Did you really come here to see if I use dishwasher soap to clean my car? No. No. Hell no. Last time I used dishwasher soap was to clean my grandma's 1987 box Chevy. That no matter what you use to wash it with, it wasn't gonna shine or even clean. Today is a video about how I maintain the shine and cleanliness of the car. Just exterior. Today is just a basic wash. I'm gonna be showing you what tools I use, what products I use, and where I wash my car. Let's get straight to it. Let's go to the car wash and get this thing nice and clean. I use one of my local self car wash cleaners because they have pressurized wands that allow you to get into hidden places that your normal water hose will not be able to get to. Pretty cheap to use too. It only cost me $3 this day. This is the brush I use to clean off my tire stickers. Works great. I use this little handy dandy wand to get in between the spokes of my rims. Nose, you gotta have a good chamois. This works great also. And of course, I got one of these mittens that helps me get around the cracks and hug every corner of the car. Today from the fleet, I will be only using the Chemical Guys Citrus Wash and Gloss. Whew, that was a lot of work. It takes a lot of effort to keep this thing clean. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. More content on the way.